Welcome to God or Garage. In this episode, we're going to install some new Nolo Designs ditch light brackets on my first gen Honda Pilot. This install is going to be quick and easy, so stay tuned. First, we start out by looking through my old wiring harness. It was starting to fail and becoming inconsistent. As I kind of dissect it here, we end up finding out that one of my connections has failed. To fix this problem, I used one of my recently acquired skills, soldering, to solder the connection back together. This is a skill I've acquired from my new combat robotics hobby. Next, we tape it up and give it a good watertight seal. Last of all, we just need to install the ditch light bracket. This process was very simple due to the design of the ditch light bracket itself. All we had to do was loosen up the bolts for the hood, enough to slide the brackets onto it. Very, very nice feature. I had previous ditch light brackets at one point that had solid holes and you had to remove the bolts. It was possible to do, but a lot harder than this is right here. The geometry of the ditch light bracket is perfect. It avoids your windshield wiper blades and it really puts the lights in a good spot. There were some small holes for zip tying the cables so they stay nice and neat. And as you can see here, the ditch light brackets allow us to have ditch lights that add a ton of light to the side of our vehicles. These particular ditch lights are just some cheap ones I bought off of Amazon, but they look like they're doing the job so far. Take a look in particular how far my lights go to each side, especially in this view here. You can see it goes really far to the right. It's very bright as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick install video. We'll catch you on the next install. God or Garage out.